Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 3 and a crochet hook in size 3.5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 5. Now right there through that last chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now for row 1, right here through this loop I'll make 12 single crochet. Now to finish row 1, right here through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now to finish row 1, right here through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll chain 12. Then through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I will chain 12. Then through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 12. Then through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 12. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 12. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 12. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 12. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 12. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 12. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 12. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 12. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Now right here through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Row 2. Now for row 3, through his next 6 chains, I'll make a slip stitch. Now right here through the same 12 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 8. And this is row 3. And through this next 12 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8. Through this next 12 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8. Through this next 12 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8. Through this next 12 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8. Through this next 12 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8. Through this next 12 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8. Through this next 12 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8. Through this next 12 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8. Through this next 12 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8. Through this next 12 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now to finish row 3 I'll chain 8. Then through this next 12 chain loop, then right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 4 I'll use yarn in different color. Now right here through this first 8 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 3. Then right here through that same 8 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3. Through that same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 8. Through this next 8 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. Through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3. Through that same loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8. Through this next 8 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. Then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster, chain 3. Then through that same loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8. Through this next 8 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, I'll chain 3. Then through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster, chain 3. Then through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8. Then through this next 8 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. Then through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster, chain 3. Through that same 8 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 4. Now to finish row 4 I'll chain 8. Then right here through this first double crochet cluster I'll make a slip stitch. I will chain 1 and cut this yarn. I'll go back to using color A. Now right here through this 8 chain loop I insert my hook. Now right here through this first double crochet cluster I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through the slip knot loop and pull through. And now I will chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I will chain 6. Through this next 8 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6. Through this next double crochet cluster I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6. through this next 8 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6, through this double crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6, through this next 8 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I think I said this is row 5. 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, chain 6, then through this next double crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 5. And now to finish row 5 I'll chain 6, then right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 5. Now for row 6, through this next 2 chains I'll make a slip stitch, and right there through that same 6 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 7, then through this next 6 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 7, then through this next 6 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 7, through this next 6 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 7, through this next 6 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 7, through this next 6 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 6. Now to finish row 6 I will chain 7, then right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 6. For row 7, through these next 3 chains I'll make a slip stitch, then right through that same 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again now I'll chain 7, through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 7, through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 7, through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 7, through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 7, through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 7, through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 7. Now to finish row 7 I'll chain 7, then right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 7. Now for row 8, through this next 3 chains I'll make a slip stitch, then right there through a 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 8, through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8, through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8, through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8, through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 8, through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 8. Now to finish this row I'll chain 8, then right here through a single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 8. Now we have one more row left, and I'm going to use yarn in different color for that row. For row 9 I'll use yarn in color B. Now right here through this 8 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, and through that same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now right here through that 8 chain loop I'll make 13 triple crochet. Now through this next 8 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. And now through this next 8 chain loop I'll make 13 triple crochet. Now through this next 8 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 9. And now to finish row 9, right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now we will weave these ends in and we'll be done. Now our finished work measures 11 inches. So remember, if you use thicker yarn and a larger crochet hook, your work will be larger. If you use a thinner yarn and a smaller crochet hook, then your work will be smaller.